In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on the ATM mainboard. The battery is only used to hold the date and time values. It does not affect any programming, including passwords or journals. If the battery goes low or bad, the ATM date will revert back to the year 1999. This can cause transactions to stop being processed, showing as either a denial or a communication error if the processor ignores the message because of the date. To fix this problem, you simply replace the battery, which is located on the ATM mainboard. Once the battery has been replaced, we'll set the proper date and time. Here's how to remove and replace the battery. For this demonstration, we are using a Genmega G2500 model ATM. However, this will apply to all models. Begin by opening up the top of the ATM or the cabinet door that will expose the mainboard. Then power off the machine. To replace the battery, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver. You'll also need a new CR2032 battery. These are common batteries and should be available from the grocery store, or you can purchase them in bulk from Amazon. It is not necessary to hinge the front of the machine forward to access the battery. However, I'm going to do so here for better visibility. You'll need to remove the mainboard cover. There are two screws at the top corners that hold it in place. With the cover removed, you can see the mainboard. On most boards, the battery socket is easily viewable once the cover is removed. Press the tab next to the battery and you should be able to remove it from the socket. Then replace the new battery, making sure that the plus side, or the side with the writing, faces outwards towards you. On older model ATMs, the battery socket is located underneath the modem. To remove the modem, just grab the edges and wiggle as you pull back, and the modem will come off. Once you replace the battery, make sure to line up the pins of the modem before pressing it back down. After the battery has been replaced, reinstall the cover and screws. If you lowered the ATM bezel, return it to the upright position and power on the ATM. To reset the date and time, enter the operator menu using your password. Operator or service passwords can be used for this. From the main operator menu, go to System Setup. Then go to Set Clock. To reset the date, begin with the day of the month value. Then choose the month. Finally, enter the year. While you're in this menu, you can also adjust the time if needed. Once that is complete and the correct value shows on the screen, back out of the menu and return the system into service. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please contact Genmega Support.